Hi, such. You are so good at chess that you always win. You are such a good chess player that you always win. You can't say, you are so a good player. You can say, you are so good a player. Here are some phrases with such. It was such a long journey. I didn't know you were such an expert. You can also start a phrase with such when you give an example. This is like tal in Spanish. Such mistakes generally lead to disaster. Such people are always welcome. You can rephrase these examples. You can say, mistakes like these generally lead to disaster, or people like that are always welcome. Here are some more examples. English is such a common language that people are learning it all over the world. I don't want to swim in such dirty water. You could rephrase this as, the water is so dirty that I don't want to swim in it. Or, I don't want to swim in water that dirty. That is the next word in the next video.